Welcome to the stream. Mr. James, welcome. Good morning. How you guys doing? Welcome. Okay, so we are a bit early today. Okay, it's because I saw some good setups, so I just want to share that with you guys. Okay. So my key levels, let's quickly work on the key levels right now. GBP/USD has basically gotten to the key level right here. As you guys can see, we have multiple bounds. I've had this key level since last week, so I just adjusted it down a little bit. Okay, we can push it up here just to cover the entire push of these guys right here, all this place right here. Okay, so we should be having some entries at this downside here. Now this is what I want price to push back up here, just to the equal just to this Fibonacci level, this golden zone right here. If price can push back to that point there, we should be having entry at that point. Okay, that's on GBP/USD. Okay, now one of the things I'm planning on doing is also try to come live every day. Now there's a reason for that. All right, so you guys are going to see, I will explain that very soon. We'll come almost every morning, every day. All right, so that's what I'm looking at, GBP/USD. Now I'm supposed to have traded GBP/JPY as well, because the key level that I'm waiting on is this downside right here. I can't find any key level at the upper side. All right, so because of that, all right, we can look for entry. Since we are projecting the market to go to the downside right here to come tap this key level before going back up, then we can also look for an entry to to get to this point here. Okay, which means that for most part of today, price is going to be selling. All right, I'm expecting price to sell. I'm expecting price to break below this point here and continue to just have that retracement. Okay, so it's safe to say immediately I got price break below this point right here, okay, I would have planned to get into the trade. Now where's my stop loss going to be? All right, it's first place. Okay, then we have we have somewhere there. All right, somewhere right there, and then we can do TP1 to be right here. Okay, and then we can extend this one all the way to this point right here. All right, something like this. Something like coming. So the stop loss right here. We have this guy. It would have been better right here. Okay, the stop loss would have been better up here. Okay. We could have had 1 to 0.5, then 1 to 1, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 1.5 is going to be my final TP for this one. Okay, now instead of risking 1%, if you risk 1% before, you should risk 0.5% on this trade. The total pips on this one is GBP/JPY 16.2 pips stop loss. GBP/JPY 16.2 pips stop loss. Risk half on this trade, please. Half. All right. Risk 0.5% on the trade, then we manage it to the downside. Okay, so we should have stop loss right up here. Our first take profit, TP1, is going to be here. First TP will be here. Second TP can be here. Now I'm supposed to have fixed this quality thing on this video because I tried to watch the video. I don't know why it's showing quality on my phone and on my phone. But when I tried watching it, all right, outside, I saw that it was just at 480. So I need to change it, but I keep forgetting. All right. So sorry guys, I'm live already today before I remember I had to change. Okay, don't worry guys, tomorrow is going to be better. All right, you're going to see it more clearly tomorrow. Okay, I'll work on that. Just change it to around 1080p or something. So I'm selling GBP JPY right here. We're on sales. Yes, you can enter now. I'm selling GBP JPY right there. Risk half position. Okay. I'm also looking at GBP USD. Let's push this one up a little bit. I'm still expecting price to push back up. Alright, I'm expecting price to push back to this golden zone right here before continuing to push the downside. Okay. Let's see. Then okay, you guys know the vibe. You guys know what we did right here. All right, so I don't need to explain it that much anymore, because you guys know already what we do. Okay, it's very simple. Key levels. All right, I just marked this key level, and the reason why I'm choosing this key level is because we have an area of support and also a resistance at that point again. All right, so that's the reason. All right, that's the reason I'm choosing this guy right here. Okay, so if price push back to that point here, we should see price continue to move to the upper side based on the direction of the market. Okay, you guys can see we have this little channel right here. Of course, this little upper channel right here can be a retracement of this impulsive move right here. Okay, can be a retracement of this impulsive move and price just get there and just continue to the downside. That's very, very possible. Okay, that's the reason why I have two zones right here. If price wants to continue up, I'm expecting it to push all the way to this point here. Then when it pushes there, we can see a full declining. All right, right there. So let's see what happens right there. Okay. And then we have Euro CHF. Okay. We have our key level at the upper side this time. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to push back to this point here. When price gets to this point here, I will look to get into the trade for a buy. I will look to get into the trade for a buy. Immediately price gets to this point here. Okay. let's put the arrow right there. So increase this one down, push it to 1 to 2. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome. Okay, so GBP USD already touches our level. All right, so now I'm waiting for price to break below somewhere here so we can get into the trade right here. Okay, for now my red zone is going to be here. All right, I have my red zone here, exactly here. Okay, now we're having a very strong push up on GBP base now. Okay, remember guys, proper risk management is important. Okay, now I just miss a beautiful trade right here. No, nope, supposed to be here. Okay, wow. Just miss the trade here. Okay, I'm gonna let's wait for price to get to this point again. If you get here, then we'll buy. We're supposed to be in on this trade right here on Euro USD. Okay, let's wait for price to get here. We'll buy. And if that does not take us in, that would be too bad. That would be too bad. Too bad. It's gonna be too bad. This is going to be too bad. Anyways, let's prepare for Euro CHF. Okay, guys, don't forget risk 0.5. If you risk 1% before, this time risk 0.5. Don't forget. Please don't forget. We miss Euro USD, but let's look for entry here. The stop loss should be okay, so the stop loss should be here on Euro CHF. So that should be 7.2 pips stop loss Euro CHF. I'm going short. 7.2 pips on Euro CHF. Euro CHF 7.2 pips. 0.5%, please guys. Sales. I'm only going to sell this. This is going to be my major TP right here, and I'll just let the rest run. Now the thing is, we're trading towards the key level. Okay, that's the reason why we're getting into 0.5% trades. Okay, we're just trading back towards the key level. Okay, so right here, my first TP is going to be here. Okay, that's where my first TP is going to be. Okay, then now my stop loss is going to be right here. yeah, so this is the moment for you. If you haven't gotten in, this is the moment to get in now. This is an opportunity for you guys. Okay, we missed the Euro USD and we've even break past TP1. We've even got into TP2 as well. That's a big lose right there. But it's a good trade, alright, but we missed that. That's painful. Okay, but let's see Euro CHF. Let's see. Come on, man. Come on. Let's see Euro CHF. My full TP is going to be here. Let me mark the full TP so you guys can see. My major TP is going to be here because that's the key level, and you guys know when we get to key level, we're always trying to close trades at key levels. All right. So my major TP level will be there, and my stop loss will be here. Now I'm still going to leave some position to run. Okay, I'll leave some position to run down, but I'll close most of my trade right there because there's a key level right there. So let's see GBP USD crashing now. Alright, I want price to push up here. If you can have price go back, retrace at this point here, it will be a good idea. You can have price go back to retrace this point here, then we can trade the key level to the downside. But my red zone is still at this point here. My red zone is still right there. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let's remove the Fibonacci. Let's wait for price to do this thing first before we have that right there. We're looking for sales. Guys, we got kicked on GBJPY. All right, we got kicked. This is our first trade. All right, this is our first trade on GBJPY. I'm going to enter this trade again. All right, now you don't have to enter. I'm going to use the second 0.5. all right, I'm going to use it on this second trade. Now this trade is not supposed to be a loss. I guess we get cleaned out right there. So I'm going to enter this trade again. Now please, if you're not practicing proper risk management, don't get into this trade. Please guys, please don't get into this trade if you're not practicing proper risk management. Okay, I'm gonna get in again. How many pips? This is 22.9 pips. Okay, so that's my entry in GPG right there. These guys, proper risk management is very important. Let's see HF, what's going on. Okay, price is still pushing down. Price is still pushing down. Expecting this candle to continue down. If this candle can hold this bearish push, all right, and close below this point here, then definitely there's going to be a continuation down, for sure. So let's see. Let's just see what happened with this candle. I'm very positive that the candle will go down. All right, let's see. So So we're advancing to TP1 on Euro CHF now. I'm going to TP1 now. Alright, so we hit TP1. Alright, so I'm closing my major position right here. Alright, because the price is starting at our key level right here. Okay, so I'm closing major position right here. Alright, now I'm not closing all, I'm closing about 80% of my position right there. I'm just going to leave the rest to run. Alright. I'm going to leave the rest to run. And the reason is because we are tapping on this key level, which means that tapping on this key level to us means we want to look for buys right here. So that's the reason I got out of this trade. Now I'm going to explain why we are having these trades. Okay, when we are done trading, I'm going to explain everything to you guys, so that you guys can understand why I'm getting into the trades I'm getting into. Alright, I'll explain everything to you guys very soon. So TP1 on GBP/JPY is going to be right there. Okay, it's gonna be my TP1 on this one. Let's see what happened right there. Let's see. Now on Euro CHF, put your stop loss. If you're still in this trade, put your stop loss to halfway. All right, reduce the stop loss. So let's say we're having 7.3 pip stop loss. All right, we reduce that to this place right here. Put your stop loss right here. All right, that's after you've closed major position. All right, 80 to 90% of your trades, you can close it right there. Then put your stop loss, just put your stop loss down here. Okay, so even if this trade goes bad, we're already in profit. All right, I've closed 80% of my position. So let's see. Okay, GU is not set yet. I'm still waiting. Alright, I'm expecting price to push back to the code zone, but it didn't push there. Now we're having another zone on this downside here, which means I'm expecting price to push back up here before price continues down. Now there's two things we're going to do in this situation. We have our red zone down here, which means that if price closes below this point here, we can as well have an entry on this one. Okay, now let me see how many pips do we have there. Yeah, we have about 22 pips. Okay, so if price closes below here, I'm going to get into the trade again too as well. All right, so let's see how that goes. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, GJ is moving nicely now, so I'm expecting me to push to one level. Now the H1 candle is holding, which is very good, but it's still 30 minutes to the candle, so still 30 minutes. So let's see if this candle can hold. If the can hold till probably 30 minutes, then we should be good. We should be good. I just expect this candle to hold. All right. If it can hold, it will be good. It will be really good. Now we had a bounce before on Euro CHF. Okay, we're having another pushback to that point. So I'm just going to close additional 10% here. So I know that what I'm having left is just 10%. So I'm closing additional 10% on this trade. Close additional 10%. So I only have 10% left on this trade. And you can see okay, I only have 10% on this trade. Close major position because price approached this key level. Now if you're joining us for the first time, this is the time for you to subscribe. Join the family. If you're watching this video for the first time, join the family. Let's make money. Alright. So I only have 10% left on this trade. Close major position on that. Alright, so we have TP2 hits right here. So I'm closing. Let me get out of the trade. I'm getting out of the trade right here. I'm just close. I'm closing my full position right here. Closing my full position right here. The reason is because we have this key level that price has gotten to. So anything can happen right here. Okay, anything can happen right here. Now let's look at GBP JPY. What's going on? All right. Now GBP JPY needs to give us money. All right. Very important. It's Very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very. We miss a beautiful trade on GBP/USD. Alright. Beautiful trade. Now we could have gotten into another trade on EUR/USD as well, but because the stop loss is just too small, that's the reason why I didn't get into the trade. Alright. This is another level right here. Let me mark this level. And then I would have, nah, that's just too small. It's just too small. There can't be any trade right here. There can't be any trade right there. The distance between this level and the key level is just too tiny. It's too small. So there's no way we will have entry right there. It's just too small. That's the reason why I didn't get into the trade. That would have been a good trade right there. So both ways, to the upper side and to the downside, we will make something, but it's okay. Now we have price approaching the key level. I'm gonna take these guys out, all right? And then we're gonna trade key level, okay? Probably gonna get into the trade on key level right there. Let's see. EUR/CHF did push down, okay. I closed most of my position right here, all my position right here. I'm done with the trades around there, okay. And you can see I'm done with EUR/CHF for today. Okay, I don't think I have anything. I don't think there's anything EUR/CHF is gonna give me today. Alright, normally we should trade a key level. Alright, this key level is what I should be looking into trading for again. But now this pressure that we have on these candles is just too strong. And again, when you already make money, sometimes you can decide to just stay off, start getting some money. Alright, so if I see any entry, alright, if we have a continuation to the downside, I'm probably still going to get into EUR/CHF, probably just trading it back up right there, okay. But let's see what happened right there. Okay, so GBP/JPY continues to push down. Let's see. Alright, GBP/USD is not going up, okay. It's not going up yet. Alright, but we have our red zone at this downside here. Okay, so if we have a break below this point here, it's probably, we're gonna get into the trade. It's probably gonna be an entry right there. So it's gonna be something like this, and then the stop loss is gonna probably up here. So we should be looking around 22.7 pips stop loss. That's if we don't have a retracement. I would have loved us to have a retracement, all right, back up here, okay. But if we don't have, then we just get into sells on GBP/USD, okay. We'll see. All right, so we have GBJPY. It's our TP1. Okay, we have TP18 on that. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this situation now is I'm going to push my stop loss. I'm going to push it halfway. Okay, so if you have let's say we have 27.3 pips. All right, let's just push this guy here, and let us, the stop loss should be here now. All right, and you can also close partials. All right, I'm also going to close partials on this trade. I'm going to close partials on this trade. Okay, so these are stop loss now. Let me close about 50% of this trade right here. Stop loss is halfway. All right, and I close 50% of my position right here. Just gonna let the rest run. When it gets to TP2, I'm gonna close additional position. Okay. And now the reason why I put these TP levels right here is for you guys to do what you like with it. All right, if you're risking too much on this trade, I think this is the best time for you to close. All right, if you're risking too much that you're not comfortable with, this is the best time for you to close. All right, but if you're not risking that much and you're comfortable with the total money now, you can wait for the TP3 to get hit. It's all your choice. Okay, it's all your choice. So you can select which TP you want and just stay loyal to it. Okay, every of it works. Okay, just stay loyal to one. If you're choosing modification or closing partials, you can also do that as well. You can close partials. All right. We close below on GBP USD. All right, we have a close below right here, okay, and the stop loss was supposed to be here. Okay, now I don't like this stop loss. All right, so I'm gonna wait. I'm not in on this trade yet. I'll wait. Let's wait for price to push up back a little bit more. Let's just wait. Okay, Let's just chill. Okay, so we are having GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD had a pull back up, and then it's not just, it didn't go up enough like I would want. Okay, it didn't just go up enough. I want it to push to somewhere around here before we have that continuation to the downside. All right. Okay. Now I'm not in this trade, alright? You guys know this is key level. This is how we trade normally. Alright, I'm not in this trade yet. Just chill a little bit. We have GBP USD continuing to push down. Let's see, I just wanted to push to somewhere here. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to make a video. Alright, I'm going to make a video very soon explaining most of the trades that we took right here. Okay, I'm going to make a video about it just to show you guys. Alright, because I'm going to be ending the live stream very soon. Alright, I'll have to update you guys on the Telegram channel. So if you haven't subscribed and you join us for the first time, join the family. Alright, join us. Alright, I'll be taking most of my position right here, but you can do you. Alright, I have some people already taking all their position out right here. But if you're still in this trade, when price at this point here, I'm going to close. I've closed 50%, although but I'm going to be adding additional probably 30% or 40%. But I'm going to, I know price is going to push to this downside right here. Alright, I have a very strong conviction right there. Okay, if we have this 1 hour, if this 1 hour can hold and close this way, we already have 40 minutes, which means that this 1 hour is going to close like this. Okay. So for most times when we have this type of push, all right, after price has had this type of move right here, and we have this push, price always tends to just continue the bearish movement right here. Okay, so I have a very strong conviction that BJPY will continue to the downside. That's the reason why I'm probably going to wait before I close out on my position. I'll wait for price to get to this point here. Okay, because once this candle closes, we should continue to see the continuation of the bearish movement. Okay, we've already seen a very strong pressure right here, so we should see the continuation of that. All right. See a continuation of that right there. And alright, we're done with Euro CHF. I don't want to be trading again today. Alright, I don't want to trade Euro CHF again today. Okay, but if I'm trying to get into Euro CHF, alright, trade. Alright, okay, let's try to drag this fig right here. Now, if you miss most of the trades that we've gotten into here, if you miss most of the trade, then I'm gonna call trades out, all right, on the Telegram channel for you guys. Okay. All right. So we are having JPY continue to the downside, which is very good. Very good. All right. Very good. Very good. If you have any question, please keep it coming now. This is the best time to ask any question. GBJPY and GBUSD, they are basically just going to be doing the same thing today. We're going to have most of the same behavior. Price is going to continue to the downside together. All right. That's why I'm a little concerned about getting into buys on Euro USD. All right, that's why I don't want to get into Euro USD buys. Okay, because of this pressure. All right, now you don't want to, even if I want to get into Euro USD, okay, my projection won't be more than this point right here. This is going to be my final TP, and the reason we are going to be having that is because we have an impulsive move right here. This is an impulsive bearish move right here. Anything that makes price break above this point here into this trade, you must not target more than this point right here. Now the thing is, if you have price continue to push up, it's probably going to be a retracement. All right, just going to be a retracement of this impulsive move. And after we have that the retracement, price might continue to the downside. Now it has high chance of having a retracement and then just continue to the downside. Okay, so that's the reason this point right here is a good place to get into the trade immediately. Price close above this point right here. Okay, I just feel a little concerned for this point here. Okay. But if you haven't gotten into the trades, if you haven't made money today, if you haven't joined us, right, if you haven't traded from the beginning, then this is probably going to be a good trade for you. Okay. I'm going to make a full video about what we did today. Alright, I know what we did today is a little out of what we do normally. Alright, I'm just going to break it down for you guys to see. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm just going to end the stream right here, and I'm going to update you guys on the Telegram channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join the family. And if you're not, alright, if you're not in the Telegram channel, use the link in the show box below to get there, so I can get updated on whatever we do right here. Alright, what I do, if I get any entry, I'm going to post it on the Telegram channel for you guys to see. Okay, I'm just going to be ending the stream right here. Alright, it's a beautiful time with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Now we're having Euro USD breaking above this point here. We're having it breaking above this point right here. It has to close. Alright, so you have to wait for the candle to close. Yes, Edwin. Lovely day. Okay. Lovely day that started very rough. Alright, take care guys. I'll see you guys.